Today, I'll walk you through how to change page size in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust your page size so you can create notes that fit your specific needs. First, let's open OneNote and navigate to the notebook you want to modify. This is where all your notes are stored, similar to how a physical notebook holds your thoughts and ideas, just in a digital format. Once you're in your desired notebook, go to the View tab located at the top of the screen. This tab is like the control center for your OneNote experience, giving you access to various display options. Now click on Paper Size. A panel will appear on the left side of your screen. This panel is your tool for customizing the dimensions of your page. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. In this panel, you can choose your desired size from the available options. This is similar to selecting the right canvas for a painting you want to ensure it fits your vision. If the preset sizes don't meet your needs, you can also customize the size. This feature allows you to enter specific dimensions, giving you complete control over your page layout. Additionally, there's an option for orientation settings, where you can choose between portrait or landscape. This is particularly useful if you're planning to print your notes or want to organize your content in a specific way. Finally, select what fits your needs best. Whether you prefer a standard size or a custom layout, OneNote offers the flexibility to make your notes work for you. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.